Hello, and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Let's dive into the part we're working on today. With BobCAD-CAM, you have the flexibility to choose between a 3-axis or a 2-axis toolpath, depending on the complexity of your part. In this example, we could easily select a 3-axis path for the entire part, which would be fast to program but might result in longer machining times. Alternatively, by applying 2-axis operations where applicable, we can save significant time on the machine, making the entire process more efficient. Notice that we no longer have to extract edges from the surface and create dotted lines now. BobCAD-CAM is the ability to directly select surfaces for toolpath generation. As you can see, we're quickly setting up a 2-axis pocket operation and applied variable feed rate control. This means the code will have a variable feed rate based on material conditions, optimizing every step of the process. Once the toolpaths are set, it's time to simulate the operations. This is where the real power of BobCAD-CAM shines. Our simulation tools allow you to visualize the entire process before it reaches the machine. You'll see exactly how the tool interacts with the material, and most importantly, you'll catch any potential collisions before they happen. Most of you don't know this, but we can save our simulation results as an STL. We are going to save this 2-axis results as stock for 3-axis operation. Now that the 2-axis operations are complete, we can proceed with the 3-axis programming for the more complex areas of the part. Here, we're applying advanced roughing and a Z-level finish for the walls, and to reach those tricky corners, pencil milling ensures every detail is perfectly machined. But here's where BobCAD-CAM saves you even more time by utilizing our stock management tools. The system knows which areas have already been machined by the 2-axis operations. That means the 3-axis toolpaths are only applied where they're truly needed, further reducing machining time. Before sending the program to the machine, we perform a final simulation using our deviation analysis tool. This allows us to compare the solid model with the simulated part, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. In this case, we can see a small adjustment is needed for pencil milling and perhaps a slight depth correction on the drilled holes. These insights, combined with our detailed simulation, give you the confidence that your part will come out exactly as designed, without unnecessary rework or material waste. Visit our website to learn more or reach out to our team for a free demonstration. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you achieve the next level of precision and efficiency in your work.